Here I have ALCATEL 1SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see ALCATEL logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the second option, reboot to bootloader. And after that you will enter boot mode, So like small letters here saying fast boot mode, which is the proof that we're in this so-called boot mode. So if you want to quit it, just hold down power key for about 10 seconds and then device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.